General Motor here, and today we're going to talk about things they need to put on vehicles. Number one, when police cars are rolling code 3 and they throw it in park, the siren ought to cut off automatically. None of this crap where all the cars are chasing somebody, they throw it in park, they jump out and they're chasing somebody and the sirens are just going and going and going. Number 2, day and night mode for lights. And I'm not just talking about the police emergency lights, I'm also talking the LED brake lights and so forth. Have you ever noticed at nighttime, this crap is blinding, but in the day, it's okay. They need a night mode on this stuff. Number 3, stop telling me to put the seatbelt on when the car's in park. It ought to know when you're in drive or reverse. Go ahead and tell me to put the seatbelt on. But if I'm just sitting there in park, car's parked, I don't need it beeping at me telling me to do this. Number 4, every fluid needs a drain plug and a fill point. Period. There's no such thing as lifetime fluids, idiots. Number 5, bulbs need to be easy to replace. You shouldn't have to pull the bumper cover off and do a bunch of stuff to change bulbs. There's no such thing as lifetime bulbs. Number 6, something the equivalent of this aftermarket TPMS. It does nobody any good to have a light that comes on the dash that just says low tire. You have no idea, are you 1 psi too low, or even which tire is low, let alone if you're rapidly losing air and fixing to have a blowout. The General's getting kind of old, so I might have forgot some. So if you think of any, leave them in the comments, and give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot.